My name's Aunty Star.
And I'm Aunty Song.
And today, in Get to Know God time, we're going to be making a joyful noise.
Hooray!
So let's see what's in the basket. It's a kaleidoscope.
Wow. Now if you look inside the kaleidoscope, which Aunty Star is going to show you now, look, you can see all the lovely colours. There's red, orange, yellow, green, blue. And every time you move the kaleidoscope, the pattern changes. Can you see? It's beautiful, isn't it? And you know, that kind of reminds us how our lives are always changing. Friends move away, families change, all sorts of different things happen to us. But there is one who we can totally trust, who will never change, and that is God.
That's wonderful.
Yesterday, today, forever, Jesus is the same. All may change, but Jesus never. Glory to his name. Glory to his name. Glory to his name. All may change, but Jesus never. Glory to his name.
And in that song we said Jesus is the same. And that shows us Jesus is God.
Well, we hope you've enjoyed making a joyful noise with us, and hopefully we'll join you next time. Goodbye.
Bye.